How to set up web forms in Zoho CRM. I'm gonna guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, head over to your preferred web browser. On your browser, navigate to the Zoho CRM website. After you're in the website, make sure that you are logged in with your accounts. Now, in order to set up the web forms, here in this home screen at the bottom left, you can tap on the settings icon. You'll see the settings menus in the left hand side. At the top, you can see the search bar. Tap on this. Now search for web forms. Select this option. Now that you're in the web form space, in order to set up a new web form, tap on this new form. You can provide the form name and select the module and tap on create. Now you can customize this form according to your needs. You can create the form layout from here. Select the form layout. If you want to add any input fields, you can do so from this left hand side. The form will look like this. You can preview your form and tap on next. Now you'll need to provide further form details. Provide the form location URL. You can select the action on submission. You can assign the owner to this form. You can add tags if you want to. You can select the notification settings. Once you do all, you can tap on the save button. And there you go. That's how you can easily set up web forms in Zoho CRM. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.